Japan isn't just a tech nation, it's the robot capital of the world. For decades, this country has been at the forefront of robotics, pushing the boundaries of what machines can do. But why Japan? What makes it the undisputed leader in creating our future robot companions? Let's take a closer look. From bustling smart factories to quiet hospital corridors, and even your local convenience store, robots are seamlessly becoming part of daily life in Japan. The country doesn't just design futuristic robots, it actually puts them to work. Japan leads the world in robot manufacturing, innovation, and perhaps most importantly, real-world implementation. It's one thing to build a cool robot in a lab, but it's another to have it serving customers in a cafe or assisting the elderly at home. This practical approach is what sets Japan apart. What kinds of robots are we talking about? First, you have the famous humanoid robots. Think of icons like Honda's ASIMO, which could walk, run, and interact with people, or SoftBank's Pepper, designed to understand and respond to human emotions. These robots capture our imagination, showing us a future where machines can be companions. Then there are the life-saving medical robots. In operating rooms, surgical robots like the Vinci system, which is widely used in Japan, allow doctors to perform complex procedures with incredible precision and minimal invasion. Beyond surgery, you'll find robots assisting with patient care, helping lift and move individuals, and even disinfecting hospital rooms to keep everyone safe. Of course, we can't forget the industrial powerhouses. In Japan's world-class factories, robotic arms work tirelessly 24/7. They build cars, assemble delicate electronics, and handle heavy machinery with an accuracy that humans simply can't match. This level of automation is a key reason for Japan's manufacturing excellence. And finally, there are the service robots, which are becoming increasingly common. You might be checked into your hotel by a robot, have your meal served by a robotic waiter, or get directions from a friendly robot guide in a shopping mall. They are making daily life more convenient and efficient. The applications are truly endless. Robots are revolutionizing elderly care, providing crucial support to Japan's aging population by helping with mobility, companionship, and daily tasks. In customer service, they answer questions and guide people, freeing up human staff for more complex issues. And in disaster zones, specially designed rescue robots are sent into dangerous environments to search for survivors after earthquakes or explosions, risking themselves to save human lives. Looking ahead, Japan's vision for robotics is even more ambitious. In the near future, robots will work side by side with humans in collaborative roles, protect our cities as automated security guards, and become even more integrated into our healthcare system. Japan didn't just build robots. It built the future of intelligent machines. Thanks for watching. If you found this fascinating, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights into the world of technology.